Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix muted videos on TikTok. So from here you can just open the TikTok app. So once it's open, so what to do, you will just click to the in inbox, and here is the system notification. So if your video is muted, restricted by sound, so here you will get the notification. So now what to do for fix it, you will just click to settings, and from here you can just click to report a problem. So in the report a problem, you will have to just in the search bar you will type for muted. You can write audio not playing, so you can just open it and read the terms and condition, why you are violation and why you break this rule of why TikTok is not approved your sound. So from here you can just write uh, describe what issue you will have. So I will just write my video is on muted. Why is there any issue of sound? So from here my video is on muted. Why is there any issues of sound? Kindly fix my problem. Just click to it and it will be replied. So you can just read it what he says. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.